Dear students, today we will learn two different graphs for the side of square and its perimeter and area. Let's start the first for the side of square and perimeter of the square. All of you know what is the formula to find the perimeter of a square? Perimeter of square is 4 into side. Along the x-axis, we will take side of the square and take the scale as 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. And along the y-axis, we will take it as 1 centimeter equal to 4 units. Now, after plotting the x and y axis, we will plot the coordinates of x and y. You can easily see that what is the gap between 2 points along the y-axis. So first coordinate is 2 and 8. We will plot 2 on x-axis and 8 on y-axis. And we will get the point as 2, 8. After plotting the first point, we will move to the second point, but don't forget to write the coordinates of the point. So let's move to the second point. It is 3, 12. So take 3 on x-axis and 12 on y-axis. Plot the point. You will get the second point as 3, 12. Now the next point is 3.5, 14. Take 3.5 between 3 and 4 and 14 between 12 and 16. The midpoint will be 14. Now with these coordinates you have to plot the point with the side 3.5 and perimeter 14 centimeter. Plot it. You got your third point. Now move to the next point. It is 5 and 20. You can easily plot this point 5 and 20. Plot it, and then the last point 6 and 24. You will get 5 points. The next step is to join these 5 points and check whether it is a linear graph or not. With the help of scale, we will join these points and we will find that these points lies on a straight line. And if the points lie on a straight line, that means it is a linear graph. So you can write, yes, it is a linear graph. So we have learned how to plot a graph between side and perimeter. Now we will study how to plot the graph between area and side of the square. You know that the formula is side into side. So we have taken the coordinates in the same way. For 2 centimeter it is 4, 3, 9, 4, 16, 5, 25 and 6, 36. Now we will plot the points on the graph. You can see that on x-axis we have taken side of the square and on y-axis we have taken area of the square, and that is in square unit. That's why scale on y-axis will be 1 centimeter is equal to 5 unit, or you can write 1 unit is equal to 5 centimeter. Before we start plotting of the graph, you should know that 2 small divisions will be equal to 1 unit in the graph, as there are 10 small divisions in this box. So now plot the graph carefully. For 2 units it is 4, that means 8th division will represent 4 Why? Because for 2 divisions we have 1 unit. So for 8 divisions we will have 4 units, 4 centimeters square. So you can plot the point 2, 4. For 3, plot the point as 9. It will be 8th division of the second block with the same reason. Now, after plotting the second point, we will plot third point, but before that write the coordinates of the points. Now 4, 16. 16 will be 2 divisions above the point 15. You can check and plot it carefully. We have got our third point as well. Now we will plot the fourth point, 5, 25. Plot this point. 25 is there on our axis. So you can easily plot this point. Now only one point is left, that is 6, 36. And 36 will lie 2 division above the point 35. Plot the last point as well. After plotting all the points, what is the next step? You have to join these points. But you can see that these points does not form a straight line. It will be a curve. So you have to join them by free hand. And you will obtain the curve. Now tell me, is it a linear graph? No, it is not a linear graph. Hope you understand the plotting of these two graphs.